Hello there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Node.js on your MacBook. So what you have to do, you have to actually go to the browser and then go for Node.js official site, go for the Node.js, okay, and if you search it then you will get basically Node.js. Let me show you, this is the site, but I want to actually show you the step-by-step process. So I'll actually go search Node.js at first. So I'll go with this one, Node.js download. Here you can see download Node.js, nodejs.org official site. We'll go there and we'll click here in this download section, then you will come to this page. From here we are going to go with the latest version, or maybe you can actually go with the long-term support version also, which will contain LTS. So we'll go with the current one, and then we'll actually click here in this .pkg, okay. Then it will start in downloading. So I already have this file, so let's go to the download section here, and here we have Node.js. You can see I'm going to double click on the file node version, you can see. Then I'll continue here, then continue, then I'll agree here, then I'll say install. Give here the Mac login password, install it. Wow, we got it. So the installation was completed successfully. So I'll close it and move it to trash, okay. So the file will automatically move it to trash. All right, now we'll check it that we have successfully installed it or not. So we need a terminal for this, right? So we will go here in the application, and then we'll actually go for the terminal, okay. And here we have the terminal, and I will say node version. I'll get Node.js version here. You can see. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching this video.